What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Teo, and if you're new here, I travel full-time in the self-converted 2001 Ford E250 with my cat Lars. Currently, Lars is in my sister's house taking a nap, and I was honestly not going to film today. I was just coming in here to make some food, because if you watched my last video, you would know that I've been under the weather this week. I think I'm just out of it. I'm just getting out of it. Maybe another day or so I should be fully cleared up, but today I was gonna make something like really good to like help me feel better and all that, when the delivery guy came and dropped off something so freaking awesome. My freaking YouTube plaque came. I am so freaking excited about this. Honestly, it didn't feel real. It really didn't feel real until this came today. It really didn't feel real. Like, I don't know. This has been a thing that I've been trying to like accomplish for the past couple years that I've been on YouTube. And wow. I have not opened it yet. All I did was I took off the, there was like the address and all that. Took that off for obvious purposes. But yeah, I wasn't even going to pick the camera up. But now I think we're going to make some delicious food and open this together. Because this is just as much yours as it is mine. And I truly mean that. I wouldn't even been able to dream of having this without such a beautiful community. So thank you guys. I feel like this is a Grammy speech. Thank you guys. We'll do the big speech when I actually open it, but yeah, this is freaking awesome. So it's gonna be a short one today, probably. Not much going on. It's been a rainy day all day. Beautiful, gloomy, rainy day. Just how I like. And yeah, this is a great way to really top the day off. So as far as what I'm going to be cooking, I'm going to be making something called congee, which is, I believe it's originated from China. It's like a porridge. Usually it's made with rice. The one that I'm going to be making today is going to be made with steel-cut oats. It's going to be a savory porridge. I'm going to be using seafood to do it. Sounds crazy, sounds weird. I don't really know what I'm doing. I didn't look up a recipe. I just watched a couple shorts, and honestly just gonna wing it, how I do a lot of things. But yeah. Oh man, I can't keep my eyes off of this thing. But let's make some lunch, and then we will open this together. So yeah, let's get started. As far as ingredients go, we've got some fish broth. We've got our steel-cut oats, celery sticks, oyster sauce, white onion, garlic, red chili, ginger, green onion, leeks, shiitake mushrooms, shrimp, and scallops. Let's turn this into congee. Oh, that smells so awesome already. All right, so I literally, this meal was so fun to make. I almost forgot that I was supposed to be doing the reveal of the plaque, which is crazy. But yeah, this turned out, I mean, looks good to me. That looks real good to me. Looks hearty. It's a nice, cold, rainy day. This seems like it'll be the perfect thing for it. So yeah, this is my take, because I know it's not anywhere near traditional, and that's not what I was trying to do anyways. I always like to put my own spin on things. Fusion cooking is my favorite. I like to just take in ideas and then like execute them however feels right to me. But yeah, this is my seafood congee. Oh man. It's actually really cold in here. It's like 40 degrees outside, and in here it's not too much warmer because I was cooking, so it definitely did get a little warmer, but it's dropping back down rapidly. So this is definitely going to do the trick. Cheers, guys. Oh, wow. That's a lot of good flavors. This is it. It's so weird because it's like oatmeal. It shouldn't work, but it weirdly does. Like with the shrimp in it. Mmm. I don't know what to say. That's good. That's really good. All right, as far as our drink goes, I've got a green drink. It's got cucumber, celery, apple juice, spinach, kale, and ginger. Cheers. Oh, that's good. This is my favorite kind of weather. So this just all feels very like, I don't know, meant to be kind of vibes. But I'm not gonna stall you guys anymore because I'm getting anxious and I really want to see what's in this package, even though we know what's in here. It's like hitting me like waves. This is so crazy. Okay, let's open this up before I have a freaking anxiety attack. Oh man. Okay. Since you guys are the reason why I've got this in the first place, I'm gonna let you guys see it first before I do. Because this would genuinely not be possible without each and every one of you who decided to stick around and watch some weird dude who lives in his van with a cat. I don't know why you decided to stick around, but I really appreciate it. When I left home in LA 2 years ago, I I wouldn't have believed that this is where I'd be 2 years later. Wow. So thank you guys so much. Here we go. You ready? I'm not sure if there's a wrapper on it or not. There is. Okay. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? Can I look now? Can I look? Oh. Okay, there's another thing there. Wait, let's read this first before we look at it. I'm dragging this, I know. Okay. This says from YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Or your 1000th subscriber? Of course. I think my first subscriber was my sister or my mom. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. That's you guys. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait to we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you do reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th? Wow. Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Thanks, Neil. Wow. Okay, let's try this again. That was beautiful. Let's try this again. Wait, there's another card. What does this say? This is like a authenticity thing. All right. Here we go. Ready? 100,000 subscriber plaque. Is it beautiful? Can I look yet? What? Oh, there's a mirror on it. Let me turn the light off real quick so you can hopefully read that. Wow. This is so freaking awesome. And I know you guys are probably thinking, like, why did you put the name Winter is Blue on your plaque? Because I did have a choice. They did ask me what name I wanted to put. And for me, there was no thinking about it. Winter is Blue is the name that I used to amass the subscribers that I have now and to earn this plaque. So that's the name that I put. My name's Teo is what we're going with for the future, but we can't forget our past, you know? And who knows, maybe one day we'll get a 1,000,000th subscriber golden plaque with my name's Teo on it. Who knows? We are about to go to Japan, guys. And we just got our 100,000 subscriber plaque. I don't know how to explain how blessed I feel right now. It's kind of, I mean, there's not really a lot of words to convey that emotion. This is just awesome. And I'm so glad that I decided to open this with you guys and not just on my own, because this is something that I'm honored to be able to share with you guys. This is ours. This is ours. You Me, Lars, this is all of ours right here. We earned this. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Seriously. Wow. Like I said, I don't think this is going to be a long video. That's all I got, really. I really just wanted to open this up with you guys and share this experience with you guys. 2025, I have a lot coming. There's going to be new music. There's going to be some things that are still surprises. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of change going on. I definitely want this channel to be more, I'm trying to get out there more, do more. I want to see more. I want to take you guys more places. I don't think we saw any national parks really last year. I want to do a lot more. Let's do some hikes. Let's do some traveling. Let's meet some people. Let's spend days at the top of a mountain alone. Just me and Lars and you guys chilling, making music, creating, sharing smiles, like making meals for others. There's so much coming this year that's going to far like extend even this channel. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning. Anyways, I don't want to be too dramatic. I love you guys. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, whether you hit it 2 years ago or you hit it today. Like, I appreciate you so much. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I got to figure out where to put this. Maybe we'll do that when we get back from Japan. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. So until then, my name's Mateo. Peace.